Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial where I'll be teaching you about the switch statement. So if you're wondering what is the switch statement, a switch statement is a conditional statement where we're telling the computer to perform a certain output depending on its value. So to get started, let's make a variable called age and set it equal to 18. And to make a switch statement, we just need to write switch, parentheses, and curly brackets. In parentheses, we need to tell the computer from what what value we want to get to run this condition. We want to get age and run a condition depending on its value. For example, if age is equal to 10, just see out you are in school. After we finished printing out the message, we need to put break. Break is simply telling we want to exit as soon as we have finished displaying the message to the user, because if you don't break, the switch statement will continue to the end, and if you're doing this in bigger programs without using break when you are ending the case, you will have errors and your program will crash. So let's make a case 18 and basically see out go to uni or get a job and end the line. And let's put break. So if we have, for example, our one value in our variable and we have infinite amount of numbers, what will we do if we want to print out a message if other cases, for example, we only have 18 and 10, but what do we want to do in order to print a message to numbers that are not equal to 18 and 10? What we want to do is just put default, and if the value is not equal to 10 and 18, just print enjoy life and end the line. Even after we end the default, we need to print. We need to put break so the switch statement will stop running. If we don't, the switch statement will be in a so-called uh, an infinity loop. So it will run forever until we close the program or kill the console. If we run this, you will see go to uni or get a job. So we run this condition because age is equal 18. So perfect. That's all about the switch statement, and I will be covering about the else if statement in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you understood what are switch statements, and see you in the next tutorial.